And thank you for joining me today to learn about veteran benefits offered by Arizona state agencies. My name is Jessica Randon, and I am the Public Information Liaison at the Arizona Department of Veterans Services. During today's presentation, we will cover the benefits available to veterans at the different Arizona state agencies, including the Department of Gaming, the Department of Game and Fish, Arizona State Parks and Trails, the Department of Transportation, the Department of Economic Security, the Arizona Registrar of Contractors, the Department of Real Estate, and the Department of Insurance and Financial Institutions. Through the Department of Gaming, Arizona service members, veterans, and their families can get assistance with any gambling addiction by requesting self-exclusion at casinos and online gambling entities. Self-exclusion is a process that allows a person to request to be banned from all gaming facilities within the state of Arizona and to be prohibited from collecting any winnings, recovering any losses, and the use of any of the services or privileges of the facility. You can choose either a 1-year, 5-year, or 10-year exclusion. This exclusion is irrevocable and cannot be altered or rescinded for any reason during the time period elected on the form. To learn more, you can call 1-800-NEXT-STEP or text NEXT STEP to 53342. The Arizona Corporation Commission provides an investor resource guide specifically designed for service members, veterans, and their families. The Investor Resource Guide provides information on investing, fraud, and general finance advice. To view the guide, visit www.azcc.gov. Next, let's discuss the Arizona Department of Game and Fish. The Arizona Department of Game and Fish provides a free hunting and fishing license to 100% service-connected disabled veterans. To obtain your license, you must provide a letter to verify your service-connected disability from the VA, as well as a completed application form that you can drop off at your local Game and Fish office or mail in. Please be advised, veterans who are service-connected at 100% due to unemployability do not qualify. Also, you can receive your paper license for free. However, if you would like a plastic plaque, there will be a $4 fee, which you can include via a money order when mailing in or dropping off your application. Arizona State Parks and Trails provide discounted entry to service members and veterans, as well as up to 3 accompanied guests. Active duty, National Guard, and Reserve members, as well as retired and service-connected veterans who are rated between 10 and 90%, can receive 50% off of a day pass for any state park or trail that requires a fee to enter. All service-connected veterans who are rated at 100% can receive free entry to any state park or trail requiring a fee to enter. In order to receive your discounted entry, you must provide your driver's license or state ID, as well as proof of service and/or proof of your VA disability rating. If you are an active duty, reserve, or National Guard member with an active CAT card, you do not need any other form of identification to enter. You can visit azstateparks.com/fee-schedule to view a list of parks and trails and their respective fees. Let's discuss the Arizona Department of Transportation. The Arizona Department of Transportation, or ADOT, provides a variety of benefits for service members and veterans. The first benefit offered by ADOT is the Veteran Designation. A veteran designation on an Arizona driver's license, instruction permit, or identification card is available to U.S. military veterans. The word veteran will be printed on the front of the license, permit, or ID in blue lettering. The next benefit includes the different registration and tax exemptions offered to service members, veterans, and their families. Registration and tax exemptions are offered via the Special Military Exemption, 100% Disabled Veteran Exemption, the VA Financial Aid Exemption, and the Non-Resident Exemption. The Special Military Exemption is a 1-year exemption from the payment of vehicle license tax and registration fees. It is available one time per deployment and may be applied for during the time period between the date of deployment until 1 year after the deployment ends or the member is released from duty. This exemption applies to no more than 2 vehicles, and each vehicle requires a separate military exemption form. To qualify, the service member must be an Arizona resident, be a member of the U.S. Armed Forces Regular Component, Reserve Component, or National Guard, be deployed in support of a worldwide contingency operation, and must be the owner or lessee of the vehicle. A spouse, surviving spouse, or legally designated representative may request an exemption on behalf of a qualifying owner or lessee who is serving on active duty, who remains listed as missing in action, or who died while serving on active duty. However, the date of death must be in the current or previous registration year. When it comes to the registration and tax exemption for 100% service-connected veterans, a veteran owning or co-owning a vehicle is exempt from paying the vehicle license tax or registration fees if the veteran is certified by the Department of Veterans Affairs to be 100% disabled and drawing compensation on that basis. The exemption also applies to the surviving spouse until remarriage and to only one vehicle or any replacement of the vehicle owned by the veteran or the surviving spouse. The VA financial aid exemption states that a veteran residing in Arizona is exempt from payment of vehicle license tax or registration fees for a vehicle or a replacement vehicle acquired by financial aid from the Department of Veterans Affairs. The exemption applies to only one vehicle or any replacement of the vehicle owned by the veteran. The non-resident exemption states that active duty military personnel stationed in Arizona who are not Arizona residents are exempt from paying the vehicle license tax portion of the annual vehicle registration. To register a vehicle, all non-resident active duty military personnel must provide either an affidavit for vehicle license tax exemption of non-resident service personnel issued and certified by the commanding officer, or a military leave and earnings statement, meet all applicable vehicle emissions test requirements, and pay a registration fee, and if applicable, commercial registration and weight fees, motor carrier fees, and/or any late registration penalty fees that may apply. When the non-resident service member is assigned overseas and the spouse or dependent must remain in Arizona, the exemption still applies if the non-resident service member was on military assignment in Arizona at the time the overseas orders were issued. The next ADOT benefit is the Commercial Driver's License or CDL Skills Test Waiver. Eligible military personnel or veterans may have the CDL skills test waived when applying for a CDL. The applicant must meet these two conditions. The applicant is either on active duty or separated within the last year under honorable conditions, and the applicant can certify that he or she has operated a commercial motor vehicle or equivalent for at least 2 years immediately preceding discharge or applying for the waiver. Lastly, the Arizona Veterans License Plate was designed by ADOT at the request of the veteran community to serve multiple purposes. The main functions are to allow veterans to display their pride in their military service and to fund programs for the veterans of Arizona. Arizona Veteran, Women Veterans, and Freedom License Plates have a $25 initial fee and a $25 renewal fee. $17 of the $25 goes towards the Arizona Veterans Donation Fund and can only be used for Arizona's veteran programs. Your veteran's plate may be personalized for an additional $25. In other words, for a personalized veteran's license plate, you will pay $50 total initial purchase cost. To qualify for a standard veteran license plate, you must provide proof of service. If purchasing a personalized standard veteran plate, you will pay the $50 initial fee. However, your renewal fee will only be $25. Both the Women Veterans and Freedom License Plates are open to be purchased by the public, thus do not require any proof of service. To personalize your Women Veterans or Freedom License Plates, you will pay a $50 initial fee and a $50 renewal fee. Remember, $17 of the plate purchase each year goes directly to the Arizona Veterans Donation Fund, which is also tax deductible. For more information regarding all of the benefits offered by ADOT, you can visit AZDOT.gov. Let's move on to the Department of Economic Security. The Department of Economic Security, or DES, services the veteran community through their Arizona at Work program, or AZ at Work. Through this program, they offer job and resume preparation, career training, access to the Veteran Toolkit, priority of service, accommodations for disabilities, a large network of employers, and a free hotel stay for employment-related travel through the Hilton Honors Military Rewards Program. To learn more about all of the benefits and services offered by DES through AZ at Work, visit des.az.gov. The Arizona Registrar of Contractors provides special provisions for service members, veterans, and their spouses when applying for and maintaining an Arizona contractor's license. These special provisions cover license expirations and renewals, examinations, experience requirements, and legal proceedings. You can reach an ROC veteran representative by calling 877-692-9762 or emailing veteran.rep@roc.az.gov. The Arizona Department of Real Estate provides a benefit for military spouses. The benefit provides reduced licensing requirements for military spouses. Please refer all military exemption questions to the department's online message center at www.azre.gov. The last state agency that we will discuss is the Arizona Department of Insurance and Financial Institutions. The Arizona Department of Insurance and Financial Institutions provides a list of health care coverage options for service members and veterans. In addition, the pre-licensing insurance exam is on the VA's list of examination fees that can be covered by the GI Bill. For more information regarding the benefits offered by the Department of Insurance and Financial Institutions, visit insurance.az.gov. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation. If you have any questions regarding the content discussed during this presentation, you can email us at benefits@azdvs.gov or call 602-255-3373.